In this lesson, I will give you the concepts of permutations. So what is permutations? First, I will give you the definition of permutation and then I will explain you with the help of few examples. So a permutation is an arrangement of all or part of a set of objects with regard to the order of the arrangement. Or you can define permutation in another way. Permutation is a way, especially one of the several possible variations in which a set or number of things can be ordered or arranged. Now I will give you a few examples to understand the concepts of permutations. In this example, suppose we have four children, Ash, Raj, Carla and Robert are playing hide and seek and taking turns being it. In how many different orders could the children take their turns being it? So the question is, we have to find out how many different orders. How many different orders are possible? We have four children. So in order to find out how many different orders, we use the term factorial. And what is actually factorial? A factorial is a whole number followed by an exclamation point. To evaluate a factorial, multiply all the whole numbers between 1 and the given number. So what is the meaning of 1 and the given number? I will just explain you. We have four children, Ash, Raj, Carla and Robert. So it means that we will write down 4 factorial. 4 factorial. And this is the symbol of factorial. Exclamation point. So 4 factorial equal to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 24. So 4 3 times 12, 12 2 times 24, 24 1 times 24. Right? So this is between 1 and the given number. So this is 1 and this is the given number. So there are 24 different orders. I will explain with the help of one more example the concepts of permutation. Suppose Andrea gets to tie-dye a scarf at summer camp. She wants to use 6 different colors, right? 6 different colors in her scarf. So how many different order can she apply the color? Again, the question is, we have to find out how many different orders are possible, and she is using 6 different color. So we will use 6 factorial, right? Factorial. This is the symbol of factorial. This one. Exclamation point. So 6 factorial equal to 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 72. So Andrea can apply the colors in 720 different orders. One more example, suppose Ashley is creating a sample CD to give to the producer. If she has recorded 5 songs for the CD, in how many different orders, right, can the songs be arranged? So 5, she will use 5 factorial, right? This is the factorial. 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 120. So Ashley could arrange the songs in 120 different orders. I hope now you understand the concept of permutations. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments section and I will try my best to answer it. But please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sci-Mi Academy, and thank you for watching it.